So Scott, could you tell me a little bit about what you were seeing in the industry and hearing from customers that pushed Meyer to launch this new program?
Well, the biggest thing for us was hearing it from our customers through our phone lines and other requests via email to offer this type of service. It adds huge value, and the biggest thing is allows many shops out there to capture these sales where they may not have the equipment or the people to get the wholesale versus sending it down the street.
Okay. And could you speak a little bit to the importance of diversifying your offerings as a shop and why you guys chose to start offering these packages?
Well, diversification these days is more important than ever. If you don't, you may not be there in a month, 3 months, 6 months, a year. It's important for our customers to listen to their customers. I always say if you get asked for something once, you're listening. Twice, you need to move on it. There's always opportunity knocking, that's for sure.
And could you tell us a little bit about what the program will actually look like on the ground for a customer?
So our customers will see in our online portal when they're looking at wheels or tires, the option to have them mount and balance. They'll click that link. It will bring up a consent form, which they'll give all the vehicle information. And at that point, they will send it in via email to tireandwheel@meyerdistributing.com. That comes to my team. We will then reach out, verify everything. So that's step one. Then we'll place the order. To start out here, because we don't want to disappoint, we're going to give a 48-hour window from the time it's purchased to the time it ships via Meyer Logistics, our sister company, which we're really pumped about being able to service, the lower 48 pretty quickly to get them to our customers. I do want to note that, we're using Hunter engineering equipment. Our technicians have been factory trained. We're going to be mounting anything from 17 to 22 inch, nothing more than 12 inches wide, and up to a 40-inch tire. Everything's going to be road forced, and will come packaged with TPMS sensors installed, lug nut installation kit, as well as a paper of the printout of the road force where to position those wheels and tires so for the best ride. So we're really pumped. We're launching on Monday, and we look forward to bringing this to our customers.
Will this open the door for any other similar programs for you guys?
I'm sure it will. We're kind of a crawl, walk, run company. So we want to kind of pilot this and see how it does. If we have success, I would look for expansion in the near future.